Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to update your AMD graphics display drivers on your Windows 11 computer. This should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go open up a web browser of choice, doesn't matter which one, but for today's tutorial, I'm going to go open up Microsoft Edge. And into Microsoft Edge, so you want to navigate over to Google, and into Google you just want to search up AMD driver download, and you want to search for it. Select one of the best results should be AMD.com. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the auto detect tool here, so go ahead and select the download now button. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And you want to go select install. Select install again. And since I don't have any AMD hardware on my computer, it's not going to let me proceed here, but otherwise you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.